CindyALewis here. Welcome. I'm glad that you're here. Today I am introducing you to the May 2025 membership month giveaway. So what I'm doing is I'm celebrating 3 years of memberships. I started out on Patreon and I've moved my memberships with Pen Pal Mail to Kofi. And then I also have YouTube memberships, and YouTube is just a single membership. You get some badges, you get call out shout outs, you get some special emojis, and you get to know about secret things like hidden giveaways. On my Ko-Fi membership, there's 3 levels, and each level has a different number of benefits. The lowest level, the Inspirers, are $5 a month, and you also, all the levels get my free junk journal kit. So whatever level you're on, you get that for free every month. And so there's a new kit every month, and that's a perk of the membership. On the next 2 levels, you get either added Pen Pal Mail, or you get Pen Pal Mail and a little junk journal kit of your own, a little crafty kit for you to make something. So check those out on Ko-Fi. But what I'm doing is trying to build my memberships and inviting you to join me. And whoever does join me, they will contribute in a way to building the giveaway this month. So this month I'm giving away a mystery, which it's not going to be a mystery, but I call it a mystery junk journal kit. It's full of different things to use to make your own junk journal. And I'm giving one away on YouTube, which will be for all my subscribers. And then I'm giving one away specifically similar, not exactly the same, but just about, on my membership on Ko-Fi. So the YouTube members can get in on the YouTube membership. Everybody can get in on the YouTube giveaway. Anybody can get in as long as you're a subscriber. But to get in on the other giveaway on my Ko-Fi site, you have to be a member. And on the Ko-Fi site, there'll be more details about that. But let me show you what is in the kit and tell you all about the upcoming May fun things and events. All right, so in the kit is going to be a book. This is an old Reader's Digest book. You can make an altered book journal, or you can take the book block out and make your own journal, however you want to do that. So both kits get pretty much the same thing. This is also a large piece of fabric. All right, so you saw me holding the fabric. This fabric goes with the kit. It's plenty. You could probably do more than one journal with it. It's very vintagey. Anyway, so you get that. You also get a doily that's paper. You get a couple of cloth doilies. You get some vintage music. Brown paper bag, some papers, parchment look papers. Get a whole pack of papers here. This is a whole pack. I don't know exactly how many pages it is, but it's a good number of pages. You get some tags. You get some little coin envelopes. You get some stickers, a tri-blend marker. This one is watercolor. You're going to get some vintage buttons that are still on the little carrier sheet. And look at that. Oh, they're amazing. Some flowers, some washi tape, some lace, a little about a yard, some wooden beads, and some orange ribbon to kind of match what's going on with this kit. So as the month goes on with both kits, everybody that joins, I will be counting members, and I will add something to both kits, the Ko-Fi kit and this kit, all month long of May, and I will do a drawing on May 25th. So in order to be in the drawing to win the kit on YouTube, you need to put the word giveaway in your comments. And I'd like to ask you to do something for me, which gives you more entries. If you go to any of my other videos that you like and comment on that video, and then come back here, you can enter again. So there's no real limit to the number of times you can enter, but I'm asking you to do it that way. So you can go look at another video that I've put out, comment on that one, and then come back and comment on this one again, giveaway. You can share the video also, and that gets you another entry. So go down there and put in giveaway in the comments. Also, you do need to be 18 or older, a subscriber to my channel, US or Canada only. And the giveaway will be drawn and the winners announced on May 31st. Now on Kofi, I will be sharing basically the same thing on Kofi for the members there. So thank you so much for being a member. I really appreciate that. Also, I'm doing From Scraps to Masterboard Swap this month. We have a number of people participating, which is going to be super fun. And what you do is you take about a letter size envelope and put some scraps in there and send it to someone that's your partner, and they will send you some back. And then you create your own masterboard. Now I'm asking you to share that along with the hashtag From Scraps to Masterboard Swap in my Facebook group. And that way everybody can see the masterboard that you created. You don't have to mail a finished masterboard back or anything. And make sure that when you send your scraps, you don't go over an ounce, because I don't want you to incur a lot of postage. Okay, so that's going on. There are a couple of other things going on, but I want to show you just a glimpse of the May It's Tea Time kit. And I am finishing it up, and it will probably be out on Friday along with the first freebie, because freebies are on Friday. So it's going to have a real vintage feel with some blues and greens. And it's really pretty, and the teacups just make it. So there's going to be some beautiful pages, and let's see, this one. So I just printed a few just so you could kind of see a little sneak peek, and this one didn't fully print. So I just thought I'd show you those. They're coming. It'll have tags and pockets and some ephemera you can cut out and everything. So I hope that you like this kit. I'm looking forward to playing with it myself. And thanks so much. Don't forget to enter, and I appreciate you.